Hello friends, I'm Dr. Neha Khodke from WelcomeCure, and today I'll be taking you through some absolutely easy and practical tips that you can do to manage the most common and most embarrassing skin condition in youngsters, acne or pimple. So first, let's see why acne happens. Pimples come on as a result of clogged pores on your skin, and that can be because of surging hormones, pollution, bacterial infection, stress and overuse of cosmetics. Let me tell you, it's very easy to fight pimples without using expensive creams or chemicals, because it's only in natural methods that you can find long-lasting solutions. So let's start. The biggest ally of your skin is food. Eating the right kind of food in the right way and right quantity can make your skin blemish-free, softer and more resistant to bacteria and pollution. Drink plenty of water and juices because this will ensure that your body is flushed of any toxins. Avoid eating fried foods, avoid processed and packaged foods like white pasta, white breads, white rice, and cut down on white sugar. All these foods increase your blood sugar levels very quickly, and this causes the oil glands on your face to release oil. Opt for fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, legumes, beans and peas. Vitamins A, E and zinc are like your skin's best friends. So include more of orange and yellow colored fruits and vegetables in your diet like carrots, papaya, mango and green leafy vegetables like spinach, also lentils. It's a good idea to also include nuts and fish in your diet because they are rich in essential fatty acids, and this gives your skin the right texture and a very healthy glow. Wash your face with lukewarm water 3 to 4 times in a day. Avoid the use of cold water and soap because they will only make your face dry and provoke your oil glands to secrete more oil. Be very careful when using cosmetics. Use products that are water-based rather than oil-based, and always remember to remove your makeup at the end of the day using a good quality oil-free cleanser. Better still, you can make your cleanser at home. You can apply a paste of besan or gram flour and haldi or turmeric and then wash it off after it dries. I would strongly recommend you to go in for homeopathic treatment. The major plus points are that there are absolutely no side effects, and the results that you see are more long-lasting and give your skin a healthy glow. Homeopathy can really give you a beautiful and healthy complexion naturally without the use of any material chemicals. We welcome you to get in touch with our doctors for a medical opinion absolutely free of cost. Just call us on 98335 98553, or you can log on to www.welcomecure.com and register yourself for free. You can also mail us at askme@welcomecure.com with your queries. Thank you and happy health.
Faces should be clear, glowing from within. Acne, eczema, and other skin disorders can be cured naturally.
Homeopathy cures skin diseases, healing them naturally.
Seek expert opinion from world-renowned doctors at the convenience of your home. Zero side effects, zero interference. Choose homeopathy. Choose WelcomeCure.